got this little guy, a sport camera. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Victor Caraveomedia, and today is Memorial Day, and I want to try this little guy right here. It's a sport camera.
The Vivitar DVR 785 HD Pro Action Camera is a compact digital video camera with an underground housing. It can capture stunning 5.1 megapixel still images along with recording video at 720p.
Let's see how it looks in low light situation. And I'm gonna try this little guy in the morning to see how it looks in the morning. Alright, we're gonna be comparing this footage to the low light situation later on to see how it looks. Alright, so tomorrow is gonna be doing some vlog video for you guys, so stay tuned and give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more. See you soon.